Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2 and our group will be presenting quality control in laboratory practices. The topic shall be introduced by defining the term of interest, which is quality control, or QC for short. QC is defined as a process of checking and analyzing a product to ensure that it meets a specified standard or optimal quality. Quality is a subjective term which is determined by factors such as its ability to function as intended, the precision of such ability, the repeatability of the intended function, and also the resistance of the product to its physical or chemical change, otherwise known as deterioration, which might interfere with the function of the product itself. QC is often used interchangeably or even confused with quality assurance, which is QA. To contrast the two, while quality assurance or QA emphasizes the improvements and quality of inputs of the products, which is before the production itself. QC is a post-production step, which focuses on the already completed products and filtering out the quality and even identifying the possible flaws and defects in the products, so as to be studied and to be put to take notes for future production lines. QC is important in the effort of maintaining a safe, stable, and feasible workflow. When practiced together with good laboratory practices, otherwise known as GLP, it can be beneficial for the products, resulting in higher yields and lower waste overall.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MUHAMAD and SOFI. Next, we will discuss regarding one of the crucial subtopic in our topic, which is QC procedure. Before we dive in further, let's take a look first on the graphic provided on the left side of the slide. In the chart provided, there were lots of steps in which each step are considered very crucial and need to be taken seriously. Each step represent as a part of QC procedure. Because of that, QC chart does not only function as benchmark for a high quality result, but also to detect any problem which might occur in the future. According to quality standard, several criteria for a good QC procedure need to be fulfilled by, including safety standard, tolerance limit, and process validation. Because of this, QC procedure will help us to produce the product according to the demand of the industry. Okay, next, we will continue on our next subtopic, which is role of standard material, known as SRM. SRM has been widely used around the world because of its capability to precisely provide data regarding any chemical. On a little bit of history regarding SRM, it was proposed and maintained under National Bureau of Standard (NBS) during the 20th century. It provides the reference for almost 1,200 different chemicals accurately. For example, molecular weight, purity, and concentration for different chemicals are recorded in SRM. Because of that, SRM played a very crucial role in providing precise value of the compound, ensuring proper method validation, and also ensuring inter-laboratory capabilities or compatibilities.
And now we go to the next chapter, which is the case studies of QC failures and success. Okay, so this is the first case study, which is failure case study. New England Compounding Center (NECC) caused meningitis outbreak. So NECC is a company that make a drug or medicine based on the doctor's prescriptions. So one day, fungal meningitis outbreak occurred because of contaminated steroid injections that come from the NECC. So NECC found guilty since medicines produced never went through FDA, which is Food and Drug Administration, and they did not have patient prescription before product shipping. They also violate the law where they should not involve in a big scale drug manufacturing. Next is a failure case study, Theranos. Theranos is a company that claims that they can perform blood tests only using small amount of samples using their device, Edison. But it turned out that their device cannot perform properly and they using traditional lab equipment instead. It resulting many inaccurate results and misdiagnosis the patients. In addition, the leader also ignored the complaints from coworker about the device Edison and put company profit over the patient's health. And now we go to the success case study, which is Pfizer's quality control measures in vaccine production. So, during COVID-19, Pfizer did collaboration with BioNTech to produce vaccine against the COVID-19. So, they made a wise choice by taking mRNA approach to produce vaccine because it already has data consists of human cells. They also screening the vaccine candidates to choose the suitable vaccine that can fight the COVID-19. Next, we go to the last case study, which is success case study, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL Analytical Lab. So, NASA used JPL in studying the science, Earth and space, and they also make the public has free access to JPL in order to get information about their success missions. JPL contribute to develop advanced remote sensing tools like radars, radiometers, and spectrometers. But before they launching them into the space, they test various instruments aboard aircraft to perform controlled, repeatable tests of instrument in Earth's atmosphere.
Next, the future trends in quality control within analytical laboratories are increasingly influenced by technological advances and sustainability initiatives. The automation and robotics are transforming laboratory workflows, reducing human error and increasing efficiency. The first trend is the sustainability, which is the green chemistry minimize the waste and environmental hazards. For example, microscale testing techniques reduce reagent and samples, and portable analytical devices decentralize the testing process. So this approach meet the international goals for sustainability and reduce the carbon footprint of the laboratory operation. The second future trend in quality control is the usage of artificial intelligence (AI). The AI algorithm analyze both the historical and real-time data to obtain patterns and trends that are not visible through conventional analysis. In addition, the AI-driven software may be used to optimize QC workflow by recommending adjustments to further improve process efficiency and data quality. The last future trend in quality control is machine learning (ML). ML algorithms can predict the equipment failures by continuously monitoring subtle deviations in instrument performance. This allows the laboratory to proactively schedule maintenance. This machine learning gives benefits to the laboratory, which minimize downtime, enhance productivity, and reduce repair costs.
It can be concluded from this project that QC plays a very crucial part of the effort of attaining and maintaining the best possible outcome for laboratory practices. QC is a major factor of others in determining the quality, feasibility, and the success or failure of the practice. A well-implemented QC would ensure that the product line remains smoothly and consistently high quality and resulting in the best interest for everyone. While a lack thereof or even a poorly implemented QC may result in products which would be defective and even harmful to its users. which can damage the reputation and possibly bring harmful effects for the producers and the users alike. Therefore, compliance of standards through proper implementation of QC is compulsory to maintain a consistent stream of work and quality produced, so that it serves in the best interest of everyone involved.